This time we were out in Lake Lillian, helping our client Alyssa replace a failed magnetic flow meter. Greg, one of our newer techs, got on site early and took care of the wiring and transmitter programming before Brad and I joined him to handle the sensor replacement. Sounds simple, until we realized the old sensor was buried 12 feet deep, caked in paint and bolted in tight. After chiseling through the bolts, we hit a bigger challenge. The sensor was wedged between two flanges due to pipe settling. It took a winch and a car jack to ease it out slowly without damaging the surrounding piping. Then came the next surprise. The original install didn't include ground rings. That's a no-go. So we trimmed back part of the pipe, added the proper ground rings, installed the new sensor, checked for leaks, none thankfully, and completed a full calibration. What started as a routine job turned into a full-on rescue mission for the system. Shout out to Greg and Brad for the great work, and to Alyssa for being fantastic to work with.